Hey, this is Dave with Dave's Garage. We got a 1967 Volkswagen Beetle here we're about to start a complete restoration on. It's been sitting for well over 10 years, and first steps are to get it running, check out all the mechanical before we do any tear down. And I wanted to make a video series to help you out in case you're trying to tackle one of these jobs. Hope this helps you out. Let me know if you have any questions, and look forward to many more in this video series. I'm going to go through the complete restoration process as close as I can. I'll cover a majority of it for you. Thanks for watching.
Holy shnikes.
Alright, the first thing we did on this is cleaned out the rat nest that was in here. This thing was completely full of years of rats and rodents living in it. We wanted to pull all that out, check all the wiring, make sure there wasn't bare wires chewed up. Put a battery in it. Like I said, double checked all the wiring, make sure there's nothing that's going to ground out once we put power to the system. Next, the fuel system was completely trashed. We replaced the carburetor, the fuel pump, and the coil, the fuel filter, fuel lines, just to get it ready to try to crank up and see what condition the engine's in. Like I said, the first thing you want to do is check all mechanical, get it running before you tear the car down and disassemble it. Alright, we got the starting system straightened out, got the starter going, got it to turn over, getting fuel. There is a problem in the ignition system, so what we're going to do is, I checked it out, the points are fried, the rotor is completely broken. I'm going to put a cap rotor, wires, plugs, and points in it. I'll make a separate video on that, and we'll get this rolling and move on to the next steps. Hope you enjoyed the video, and hope you tune in for the following. This was kind of an introduction. The rest will be a little more detailed. Thanks for watching.